Hey guys! Today I will show you how to get free coins in Vlive app. Follow all steps in video tutorial before you will start with installation. Today I am going to show you exactly the way how to get Vlive free coins. To get free coins in Vlive app we need to use this application. This application allow us to add free coins directly in the application, so whole process is really easy. Watch the full video to understand how I did this. Anyone who doesn't want to spend money on this app can use this trick. If you have any problem with this method, please let me know in the comment section and I will help you out. Subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Love you guys. See you in the next video. If you guys need any help whatsoever, please don't hesitate to ask me below this video. I will check and be replying to comments and helping all my subscribers.